Why am I stuck with this voice? Can I use my own TTS?
No, speech-to-speech models doesn't support custom TTS.
You don't like the voice of your real-time model, but you can't change it. You can't fix pronunciation. You can't clean the transcript before it hits the LLM. And when something breaks, no traces, no logs, nothing to look at. Introducing Agents V1, AI voice agents by VideoSDK, one unified pipeline class. Be it cascade mode or real-time mode, it auto-detects from your component. Start with a half cascade. You can use STT model from Sarvam AI and an LLM like Gemini, and that's your co-pilot, or TTS model from Cartesia and add actions, and it becomes fully autonomous. Need context? You can attach your knowledge base, even in real-time conversations. And now avatars. Use Anam AI or bring your own avatar provider. We handle audio, interrupts, streaming, build transcription agent, text chatbot, voice and chat agent, full voice agent or real-time agent, whatever you want to build. With pipeline hooks, intercept at any stage, normalize the transcript, fix pronunciation, bypass the model entirely with a single yield. The fastest AI voice agent pipeline. Enterprise grade, every compliance covered. Start building with Agents V1 today.